Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Server 2016 Hyper-V. This is an edition that Microsoft developed in pretty much direct competition with VMware. It is a major cut down version of the server install that is designed entirely around the virtualization environment, and it doesn't install the desktop GUI, so it's all command line. You have to configure it all that way, but it is very powerful, and there are a lot of enhancements in Server 2016's Hyper-V. This is Technical Preview 4, which at this time is the current version out that you can get. It works very well. It is super easy to install, and it bodes a lot of advancement in the near future for Microsoft's virtualization. So once you get to the install screen here, make sure you have your language, your time and currency format, and your keyboard input method set, and then click next. Click install now. Click I accept the agreement on the license terms, and with the next screen click next, and you're going to do a custom install. Okay, and you can see we're staring at drive 0 unallocated space, so we're going to click new, click apply, click OK. This is going to create two partitions. You'll have partition 2 and partition 1. Partition 1 is the system reserved. Partition 2 is your primary active partition where your actual OS files and everything are going to go. So make sure partition 2 is selected. Go ahead and click format and click OK, so that way you make sure that the drive is actually formatted and ready for the new file system. With partition 2 primary still selected, click next, and it's going to start copying files over. It'll extract the files out. It is going to reboot a couple of times. That's no biggie. I mean, that's just part of the install. Once it's all complete, it will boot up into a command line type setup where you will finish the configuration of the server, and then from there you can configure your Hyper-V sessions, set up your virtual machines and everything else. So this is going to take a little while, so I'll see you shortly. I will go ahead and tell you that with this installer, with it being a cut down version without the desktop environment, the install normally goes by a bit faster than installing like the data center install or the standard server install, so it's considerably faster. All the files are installed, so now it's going to pull updates if there are any, and now we're ready for the first restart. It says press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Do not hit anything, let it boot from the hard drive. If you press anything, it'll restart the install process from the disk or from the CD or DVD. Or the USB drive if you're using a USB. It's going to go through a first time setup, and we are now looking at the actual server configuration for Hyper-V. From here you will do all your configurations and everything and get your initial setup ready, and this is where you'll configure your server, your VMs and everything, and this is where you will do all your major work. This information's out there for absolutely everybody as always. Watch, like, and share. Have a great day.